So I peeled our ginger, and the way I will do it here, this is something that you eat sometimes when you just need flavor. I don't peel it all the way through, but with this I had to, if people eat this, I eat it, I chew it, okay? And so we're gonna make it, we peeled it and then slice it into that kind of slices. I'm gonna mince also my garlic and slice it in big rather than just mince, okay? So we're gonna have a lot of broth with this, onions, green onions, all of this, and mince this, salt and pepper, and ready to go to cook our chicken. Make a lot of broth, okay? Usually you cook this in a big pot. I don't have that. I have skillet, so I'm gonna get started and do that. And so for the bok choy, I just cut the ends like that, and then I do this. Okay, like that. Again, the leaves got wilted, so I took it off. Okay. So just cut it like that, and then in the middle part, like this. That. Okay. Same thing with this. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. There you go. So I'm gonna do it with all of this. And as far as the green onions, I don't have regular onions. I have green onions, which I had washed already, and this came from our garden. And cut like this. Okay. So we're gonna saute our chicken with garlic, salt and pepper, and fish sauce. Okay, and get the ginger and this onions. Then we're gonna make lots and lots of broth, adding filtered water to it, and then we're gonna add last is the papaya that we're gonna slash. Okay, so mince this and slice it.